soars. The Mavericks gathered with thunder and roars. From the stars and the streets, they answered the call. Together they stood, mighty and tall. Iron Man sparked with a heart of steel. Captain shield for the greater good we feel. Hulk's green might, unstoppable force. Thor's hammer strikes, setting the course. On the SchoolBus.Rocks, they rolled into town. With the global elites network, they won't back down. Mavericks of justice, heroes in disguise, teaching us all to reach for the skies. Black Widow's grace with a cunning mind. Hawkeye's aim, no one left behind. Banner's brain with a temper untamed. Thor's thunder, lightning proclaimed. They fought the darkness with courage so true. For the kids and the dreamers, and for me and you. Loki's schemes couldn't tear them apart. Mavericks have hope, they lit up the dark. In the sky so high, Iron Man soared. But even a genius can't ignore. When teamwork's the key, you're never alone. With every pulse, his armor's grown. Captain led with a star-spangled stand, defending the weak with justice at hand. From the past to the present, he carried the flame. In a world so different, he played the game. On the SchoolBus.Rocks, they rolled into town. With the global elites network, they won't back down. Mavericks of justice, heroes in disguise, teaching us all to reach for the skies. Through the streets of the city, they took their fight. Hawkeye's arrows in the dead of night. With precision and skill, he showed us the way, that even the smallest can save the day. Natasha's past was shrouded in red, but with every battle, a new thread. She taught us that courage can rewrite your tale. No matter the history, we can all prevail. With every challenge, they rose above, showing us strength, unity, and love. From the battlefield to the classroom floor, Mavericks inspire forevermore. On the SchoolBus.Rocks, they rolled into town. With the global elites network, they won't back down. Mavericks of justice, heroes in disguise, teaching us all to reach for the skies. So here's to the Mavericks, both big and small. From New York City to the schoolhouse hall, we stand united in their legacy, learning from their adventure, being all we can be. On the SchoolBus.Rocks, we'll find our way. With the global elites, we'll save the day. Mavericks forever, strong and free. Together we'll write our own history.